Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of my custom e-bike build, focusing on my 18650 battery packs. This is episode 2, and in this episode I've decided to recover my 18650 cells. My previous video, you'll notice that there's a lot of glue on the cells, which I think would prevent me from creating really straight true packs. So I ordered this roll off of eBay. I chose purple to mimic the Samsung cells color a little bit. This roll is approximately 10 meters, which should be enough to cover 200 plus cells. Originally working with the shrink wrap sleeves. That's a little bit of a tongue twister. Proved challenging. But after I got through, 10 or 20 or so cells, it went quite well. With the assistance of my two daughters, the process speeded up very quickly. This series right here, or set of batteries, you'll notice are 12 cells. This is a secondary pack that I decided to make to run my accessories, my lights. I'm thinking about running a couple of relays to take the place of using hard switches or circuit breakers because of the high voltage of the packs. I'll talk a little bit later about that once I introduce the particular relays that I decided to use. Yes, I'm using an X-Acto knife to cut off the sleeve. Another short possibilities, but this process went really well. The white caps I'm going to save and reuse. This will help to reduce the risk of contacting the positive and negative poles. The negative pole runs all the way up the sides and onto the top of the cells, so it's an extra layer of protection. This pack consists of the leftover cells that range from 1800 milliamp to 1600 milliamp, and with 12 in parallel, I will be able to produce another pack that's going to be approximately 18 to 19 amp hours. And I'm going to run 12 in parallel, 3 in series for an 11.1 nominal volt pack. With the risk of shorting due to me using the X-Acto knife and a little bit of heat from the heat gun, I don't think is going to play that much of a role. I decided to test the cells, each cell, between each rewrap. Using a T-square, I'm going to align the packs for gluing. Again, not a very smart idea, but I was able to successfully get all my parallel packs together with no problems whatsoever. After all the packs are assembled, I will start welding them. I purchased this welder off of eBay. It's some generic 788 plus welder. And I've done some preliminary tests and it seems to work just fine. How long it'll last, I'm not too sure. Thank you very much for tuning into my videos. If you have a comment, please post in the section below. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos.